In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a presentation via email directly from Canva, step by step. This is perfect if you've created a presentation and want to quickly share it with clients, teammates, students, or anyone else without downloading files or opening your email app separately. Canva makes this process very simple, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to send presentations confidently in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to canva.com and make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Canva homepage where you can see all your recent designs, templates, and projects. From here, locate the presentation that you want to send via email. Simply click on the presentation to open it in the Canva editor. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks the way you want before sending it out. When you're ready, look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor and click on the Share button. This is where all sharing options are located, including links, downloads, and messaging tools. After clicking Share, a panel will open with several options. Instead of choosing a quick option, click on the See All option to expand the full list of sharing methods. Now scroll down within this menu until you find the Messaging section. Under Messaging, you'll see the Email option. Go ahead and click on Email. Canva will now allow you to send your presentation directly to one or more email recipients. In the email field, type in the recipient's email address. If you want to send the presentation to multiple people, you can easily add more addresses. After typing an email address, click on Add New Recipient if you want to include another person. You can repeat this step for as many recipients as you need. Once all the email addresses are added, double-check that everything looks correct. Canva will automatically include your presentation for viewing access, making it easy for the recipient to open and view it. When you're ready, click on the Send button. Canva will instantly send the presentation via email to all the recipients you added. After sending, Canva will show you a confirmation message. From here, you can choose to continue editing your presentation or return to the Canva homepage, depending on what you want to do next. And that's it. You've successfully sent a presentation via email using Canva, without downloading files or switching platforms. This method saves time and keeps everything simple and professional. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.